Good morning, teachers. In this video we will discuss about the Hot Potato software version 6 as per the schedule of our teachers training program. So first of all we discuss about that what is this Hot Potato software is. This Hot Potato software is a shareware program which is based at the University of Victoria in Canada. It is a program that allow you to make 6 different type of self-test exercise, as you can see on your screen: the J close, the J match, the J mix, J cross, J quiz, and the measure. So these 6 are the different type of self-test exercises. So these exercises can also quite easily be imposed into an LMS like Moodles to be used for assessment of learning content. Uh, Hot Potato was originally meant to create language exercise, and some hot pot exercises like jumbled sentence have little use otherwise. However, most exercise can be used for any subject. So as per this definition, you can use these 6 different exercise with you can correlate these exercise with your subjects. Like the J cross, you can use this J cross with your subject. Your subject is suppose the general knowledge GK, so you can make exercise related to the GK. If your subject is English grammar, you can correlate it with the English grammar or the mathematics also. So it's up to you. So let us start how to work these exercises. In this video it's not possible that we cover all these 6. So one by one we cover these points, these exercises. So first of all, in this video we discuss about the J close. How to open it? Very simple. They all 6 one kind of potato. They work as like a hyperlink. So when you click on this J close, when you click here, this page will open out. So first of all, you just write down the name of your quiz. This is J close. Let us discuss about the definition of this J close. This J close exercise is gap fill exercise. There will be a gap. You as a teacher make this gap and you forward to the students. The students will fill this gap. So this is one kind of filling the blank. So how to prepare it? Let us discuss the J quiz on capital and states. You write down the heading of your content. The capital of India is New Delhi. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. Why these New Delhi, Chandigarh, Bhopal are in red color and with the underline? Because I want to make the gap at here. But it's not mandatory. It's up to you where you want the gap. Suppose you want to gap at here, so you can do that. Now the point is how you do that. I already done these 3, the New Delhi, Chandigarh and Bhopal. So let us work out on this 4th one. The capital of Bihar is Patna. Means how you convert it into the red and the underline. So that you have to select it. Suppose I select this Patna word. After selecting it, you click on this gap button. This box will open out, but no need to do anything, just to click on this OK button. Now this Patna is the red color and the underline. The same is this Ranchi. Select it and click on this gap and just click on this OK. So now these all 5s are we complete are this make the gap process. So after that, first of all you have to save it in the form of JCW or JCL. TTP, this is the teachers training program 3. We have to save it on desktop. Remember one thing, that in case of every exercise, means I am talking about all 6 of hot potatoes, You have to saved every exercise before workout 2 times. First you have to saved by this saved icon in the form of JCW or JCL or JCI. When you complete this task, the next procedure you have to save it again, export to create a hot potatoes. So next time you have to save it in the form of the HTML. So first we have to saved in JCW or JCL format. The second time we have to saved it immediately, we have to saved it in the form of the HTML. Until unless you will not saved it in the form of the HTML, it will not work. And remember one more thing, the name should not be the same. Suppose we saved in JCL file TTP3, so we have to change something, should be the name should be different, TTP4, and we saved it. Location might be same, we saved that one at desktop and the same this one also on the desktop, but name should not be the same. When you saved in the form of the HTML, this box just open out, view or upload the exercise. What we have to do at here, we have to click on this view the exercise in my browser. So this is ready. Gap fill exercise related to the capitals and the states is ready to work. Now you have two options, either you send the soft copy of this exercise to the students, and the second one, if you want to conduct it inside your class, because it might be that the same kind of software and the application students have or not, because it's very unique software, it's based on the unique software, and it's not easy for the students to download the software and to complete it in as online mode. So my suggestion is to get the printout of this one and you hand over to the student, but it's up to you. You can raise the number of questions and you can take your own subject. So content should be as per your subject. You can take English grammar subject or Hindi or whatever subject you have, the respective subject. So how to do that? The capital of India is, if we are talking about the soft copy, the capital of India is New Delhi. The capital of Haryana is Chandigarh. This is the work of the students. This is the assignment for the student. How they do it? The capital of Bihar is Patna. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. And you check it. Correct, well done, your score is 100%. The second thing, what is the use of this hint? Suppose in the first case, let us take the first case, the capital of India is New Delhi. But suppose I have no idea what is the capital of India. So I click first time on the hint button, it give me the hint that the capital of India will start with the N word. So either I recognize it or not. In case I do not recognize it, again I click on this hint button. Now it give me the hint that E means the capital of India, the first two words are the new N and the E. So until unless you will not recognize the name of the capital of India, you press hint again and again, and after that you click on this one check button when you complete your task. So this is complete. Do one more thing, let us discuss. I just pressed Control P because as I told you that it's good that you send the hard copy to the students. So to make the hard copy, it's the procedure is you have to click on Control P button. It come in this form. Now you can get the printout and you distribute among the students. Number of question, the subject, the content, that is depend on your requirement, as per your requirement. So it's enough from my side about this J clause exercise. Thank you.